The 1st Security Force Assistance Brigade recently conducted the Sustainer Forge training exercise, a crucial part of preparing for future advised missions.
Our first full day of Sustainer Forge is working towards advanced rifle and pistol marksmanship. This is a lead up to live fire exercise out of moving vehicles, and it's going to help us be better prepared in competition if we transition into crisis or crisis transition into conflict.
Sustainer Forge is designed to prepare advisors for the complexities of their roles. In this exercise, our advisors encounter scenarios that test their ability to work in remote and challenging environments.
4-1-3-2-5.
In this exercise, the Denovian forces start putting units on their border, so we're here to prevent an incursion. We have Javelin missiles that are coming in via foreign military cells, and our team is tasked with receiving those Javelin missiles and transferring them.
Such realistic training experiences are crucial in building the resilience, adaptability, and tactical proficiency needed for future advised missions. One of the standout components of Sustainer Forge is a unique live fire exercise. This scenario simulates an ambush on advisors traveling in a non-tactical vehicle, requiring them to evade capture on foot.
This is valuable training because we're practicing training on problem sets that we as Security Forces Assistance Brigade advisors face that I didn't face when I was in a normal brigade combat team combined arms battalion.
Task Force 6, this is Lat 1622. We have arrived at DAR 3, how copy?
22 is Task Force 6. Acknowledge you're at DAR 3, over.
Through Sustainer Forge, the 1st SFAB ensures that its advisors are well prepared to support partner forces effectively, even in the most demanding situations. This rigorous training equips them with the skills and confidence necessary to fulfill and contribute to global security efforts.